Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Okay. Now before that we should do Brahmanats. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Students, we are going to discuss integration of some function using trigonometric substitution. In previous class, we discussed some forms of the integral which I have to integrate using trigonometric substitution. It is the third lecture of the trigonometric substitution. Okay, now special form, very important form, type integral of type, integral of type or integration of type, integration of type, integration of type. This is dx plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integration of px plus q divided by root of ax square plus bx plus. Clear? So this is two types. Here procedure step 1 arrange or adjust the derivative of ax square plus bx plus c in the numerator and step 2. This is what is derivative of the ax square plus bx plus c, that is derivative with what? That is d by ds of ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to ax plus b. So adjust in the numerator. Step 2. This is equal to what? This is equal to 2ax, b common, p by 2a, and this is what? p by 2a and 2ax. Correct? 2ax plus b, and this is what? We can write one more step here. Suppose this is px by what? Px by ax square plus bx plus c dx, and this is what? U constant 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. So adjust here, derivative of ax square plus bx is equal to 2ax plus b. So p common, b by 2a, and this is 2ax plus b, and this is minus b divided by what? Ax square plus bx plus c, and q, this is dx, and q by ax square plus bx plus into dx. So this is equal to what? This is equal to p by 2a and 2ax by ax square plus 2x plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c, and this is what? Minus pb minus what? Minus, this is equal to minus pb by 2a Okay, minus pb by 2a integration of what? 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx plus u 1 by ax square plus bx plus dx. So this is equal to p by 2a and this is 2ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c dx, here dx, and take common here 1 by x plus, so this is minus common p by 2a and this is minus q integration 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So use here this is p by 2a into log ax square plus bx plus c and this is pp 2a minus q and use perfect square. What is x plus b by 2a? Okay, minus 4ac by b square by 4a. This is perfect square we have done. So use standard formula. This is the process. Similarly, same concept here, only put root out. Same concept, but in denominator only denominator square root. Denominator contains square only. Same concept. Okay. Now let's discuss problem related to this type. Okay. Now one question. Integration of 3x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x minus 5dx. This is px plus q divided by x square plus bx plus c. This is integrate. Question is integrate. Okay, integrate. Now solution is what? Integration 3x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x minus 5 dx. Now adjust the derivative. What is derivative of x square plus, this is adjustment. What is derivative of the denominator? Derivative of x square plus 2x minus 5. This is 2x plus 2. Clear? Derivative of x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 2. So this will be what? 3 common, and this is what? X plus 1 by 3 divided by x square plus 2x minus 5. Adjust the derivative of the x square plus 2x minus 5 in the numerator. So it will be what? 3x, that is equal to 3 by 2 into 2x. But the derivative of x square plus 2x minus 5 is what? 2x plus 2, so plus 2 and minus 2. To balance plus 2 and minus 2, then 1 by 3 divided by x square plus 2x minus 5 into dx. So this is equal to 3 by 2. Separate this. This is equal to 2x plus 2 divided by what? X square plus 2x minus 5 into dx, and this is equal to what? 1 by 3, that is equal to what? Minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 by 3. Okay, minus 5 by 3 integration of 1 by x square plus 2x minus 5 into dx. Clear? First we have to adjust the derivative of x square plus 2x minus 5. But in 3x present, take common 3. This is 1 by 3, and multiply by 2, divide by 2. So this is what? This is 2x plus 2, and this will be what? 2 by 3. So this will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means this is what? Minus 6, and this is minus 6 plus 2. This is minus 4 by 3. Correct? Because 3 by 2 here, divide by 2 and multiply by 2x plus 2 by 3. Okay? So cos 2 minus 2. Here just to get the derivative of the x square plus 2x minus 5. So now this is equal to 3 by 2 into this factor, separate this by this, and this is minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 by 3, and this. Now this is what? Now this is f dash x by f(x). What this formula? F dash x by f of x dx. This is what formula? Log fx plus c. So 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 into this log fx means what? Log of x squared plus 2x minus 5, and this is equal to what? And this is equal to minus 4 by 3. Make perfect square. Make perfect square. 1 by ax square plus bx plus c form. So what is perfect square? X square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 5 dx. Clear? So this is equal to 3 by 2, and this is log of x square plus 2x minus 5, and this is minus 4 by 3 dx by what? X plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square, this is minus what? Minus 6. So minus 6 means minus 6 whole square. Okay. One thing you should remember, if this formula, if this is dx by, suppose x plus alpha square plus or minus a square, then the integration will be what? Suppose this is a square and this is a square. Here x comes at 1, so the formula will not change. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, the formula will not change. So what happened here? The formula will not change. Clear? So this is equal to square bracket, and 3 by 2 log of x square plus 2x minus 5 minus 4 by 3. This is x square minus a square form. This is x square minus a square form. 1 by 2 into a root 6. Log x means what? X plus 1 minus root 6 divided by x plus 1 plus root 6 plus c. Clear? These are the answer. So cancel here. That is equal to 4 by 3, and this is 2, and this is 2, and multiply this is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 log of x square plus 2x minus 5, and this is 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. So cancel here, minus 1 by root 6 into log of x plus 1 minus root 6 by x plus 1 plus root 6 plus c. Okay. This is the answer of the question. Now another question. Now the question is integration of 2x plus 11 by root over x square plus 9x plus 20. Okay. So solution is what? Solution is integration 2x plus 11 by square root of x square plus 10x plus 29. Same concept. Okay. We have to adjust the derivative of what is the aim? Adjust derivative of x square plus 10x plus 29 in numerator. This is the concept. So what is derivative of this? Derivative of x square plus 10x plus is adjust 2x plus 10 in the numerator. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to 2x plus 10 plus 1. Okay, this is one term and root over what? X square plus 10x plus 29 integration dx. So separate this 2x plus 10 divided by root over x square plus 10x plus 29 into dx plus 1 by root over x square plus 10x plus 29 into dx. Clear? Here which formula? This is formula f dash x by root over fx dx is equal to 2 into root over f of x plus. Clear? So this is 2 into root over fx means what? X square plus 10x plus 29. Clear? So and this is perfect square. 1 by what? 1 by make perfect square. X square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square means 25, but required here 29. So this is plus 4. Okay, into dx. Clear? Then it is equal to what? 2 into root over x square plus 10x plus 29. Next formula, and this is 1 by x plus 5 whole square. Okay, this is 4 square with 2 square dx. One thing, this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 root over x square plus 10x plus 29, and this is x square plus x square. Formula 1 by a. 1 by a means what? 1 by 2 tan inverse. Clear? 1 by a. Sorry, this is root over. Nice. Left the root here. This is root over and this is root over. What is the formula? Square root of this. This is log x means x plus 5 plus root over x plus 5 whole square. X plus 5 whole square plus. This is answer, and we can write also 2 into root over x square plus 10x plus 29 plus log of x plus 5 plus root over what? This is x square plus 10x plus 24 plus c. Here this is the answer. Okay, this is important question. Now another question, integrate some more problems from the textbook. Integrate x square plus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 2x minus 1. Okay. This is also easy questions. Solution. Integration x square plus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 into root over x square plus 2x minus 3 into dx. So this is equal to what? This can be written as x square plus 2x into 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by x plus 1 whole square, and this is also written as what? X square plus 2x into 1 plus 1 square minus what? Minus 1. Minus 1, this is minus 4. Here minus 3, so into dx. So this is equal to integration of x plus 1 whole square plus 3 divided by this is x plus 1. Clear? X plus 1 root over what? X plus 1 whole square minus 4. Now separate this. Now separate this into dx. So this is equal to x plus 1 whole square integration by x plus 1 into root over x plus 1 whole square minus 4 into dx, and this is 3 into 1 by x plus 1 whole x plus 1 1 into root over x plus 1 whole square minus 4 into dx. One term here cancel. This is okay. So this is x by x plus 1 by, and this is x plus 1 by what? X plus 1 by this is x plus 1 by what? This is x plus integration of x plus 1 by root over x plus 1 whole square minus 2 square dx. Clear? Or here 4. Here. Then 3 into this is x plus 1 and x plus 1. And this is what? Root over x plus 1 whole square minus 2 square. Now dx. Put x plus 1 here. What is derivative of this? So here 1 by 2 into 2 root over 2 of x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 whole square minus x plus 1 whole square minus 4 dx, and this is what? Put for this, put x plus 1 is equal to z, dx is equal to x plus 1 is d, dx is equal to dt. So 3 into dt by t square minus 2 square, and this is what formula? F dash root of fx by f dash x by root of x, 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 into root over this method, x plus 1 whole square minus 4. This is 3 into 1 by sec 1 by 2 into sec inverse d by 2 plus, and 2 to cancel. This is 8. Expand this, we will get x. What is this? Is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3, and this is 3 by 2 sec inverse. What is t here? T means x plus 1, x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now another question. Now some more questions. One, the first question is d theta divided by sin square theta cos square theta plus 2. Okay. So what is 1 by sin square theta? 1 by sin square theta means cos square theta. Integration. This is 1 by sin square theta means cos square theta. This is cos square theta. Cos square theta plus 2 d theta. Put cos theta equal to t. Put this is equal to put cot theta is equal to t, derivative of cot theta minus cos square theta dt by d theta. So cos square theta d theta is equal to minus dt. So minus dt, put here minus dt minus of dt by root over t square plus 2 means root 2 whole square. What is the formula? This is 1 minus log d plus root over t square plus 2 plus c. This is equal to log d means what? Cot theta. Log of cot theta plus root over what? Cot square theta plus 2 plus c. This is answer. Clear? Put cot theta equal to derivative of cot theta with respect to theta is minus cos square theta. So cos square theta theta equal to minus dt by d square plus this is root 2 square. This is solution of question number 1, and this is next question number 2. This is cos theta divided by sin square theta root over cos square theta minus 4 d theta. So what is derivative of cosec theta? Cosec theta derivative of cosec theta into minus cosec theta and cot theta. So this is cos by sin, one cos by one sin here. So cot theta and remaining 1 by sin theta means what? Cosec theta divide by root over cosec square theta minus 4 d theta. Put cosec theta is equal to d. So derivative of cosec theta minus cosec theta into cot theta is equal to dt by d theta. That implies what? Cosec theta cot theta is equal to d theta. D theta is equal to minus dt. So this is equal to minus dt by what? Root over t square minus 4 is 2 square. And what is the formula? This is minus of log t plus root over t square minus 4 plus c. So this is minus log t means what? T means cosec theta. Cosec theta plus root over cosec square theta minus 4. This is answer. Now this is question of solution of question number 1 and 2 completed. Now question number, this is power what? This is power 3 by 2. Question number 3 is power 3 by 2. Clear? Now solve for question number 3. The solution of question number 3. 1 by 4x square minus 24x plus 27 to the power 3 by 2 dx. Okay, make it perfect square. That is sum or difference of two squares. So integration 4 common here, 4 common 1 by 4 common here, 4 common. This is equal to what? X square minus 6x plus 27 by 4 to the power what? 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 this dx. So this is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 3 by 2 into what? X square minus 6x plus 27 by 4 to the power 3 by 2 dx. This is 2 square means 1 by 8. 4 to the 3 by 2 means 1 by 8 into dx by x square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 27 by 4 to the power 3 by 2 dx. Again this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 8 integration dx by here x plus 3 whole square minus what? 9 minus, this is 936 minus 36 plus 27. This is minus 9 by 4. Okay, this is minus 36, or we can write here minus 9 here, minus 9 into 4 minus 36 plus 27. Okay, minus plus 27 by what? This is equal to, this is minus 37 plus 47. Minus 36 plus 47, calculate this is minus 9 by 4. So this is minus 9 by 4 to the power 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 8 dx by x plus 3 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square whole to the power 3 by 2. Now this is in the form of x square minus a square. So put this is x minus, sorry, this is x minus 3, this is x minus 3, because x a square minus 2 plus b square formula. So put x minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 sec theta, or dx differentiate with respect to x. So 1 is equal to 3 by 2, 1 is equal to 3 by 2 into derivative of sec theta with respect to x. So this is derivative of sec theta into tan theta d theta by dx, d theta by dx. Yeah. So dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to 3 by 2 sec theta into tan theta d theta. This we have to use. So now this is equal to what? Now this is equal to the final step is equal to what? Dx 1 by 8. Dx means what? 3 by 2 sec theta into tan theta divided by what? This is x minus 3 means 3 by 2. This is 9 by what? This is 9 by 4 sec square theta minus 9 by 4 to the power 3 by 2, and this is equal to 3 by 16 sec theta into tan theta divided by 9 by 4 common 9 by 4 to the power 3 by 2 into sec square theta minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 into d theta 3 by 16, and this is integration of sec theta into tan theta divided by 9 by 4 means what? 3 square cancel 27, this is 27, 2 square count, this is 8, and sec square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, or this is tan cube theta d theta here, and this is equal to cancel here, this is equal to 3 by 16 into this is 27 by 8 means what? 8 by 27, and this is sec theta divided by tan square theta d theta. Clear? So derivative of tan theta is equal to what? Derivative of tan theta is equal to this is derivative of tan theta. This is sec theta by sin theta means what? Sec theta by sin theta means what? Sec theta by tan square theta. This is 1 by sec theta means 1 by cos theta divided by tan square theta means 1 by sin square theta. So this is equal to sin square theta by cos theta, sin square theta by cos theta, sin theta, tan theta into sec theta. Clear? This is equal to, so tan square tan theta cancel, this is sec theta, tan theta into sec theta, 1 by cos here, this is tan theta into what? Tan theta into sec square theta. Derivative, this is sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, so sin square theta by cos square theta, what is remain here? This is 1 by 18, and this is what? Sec theta, this is equal to what? 1 by cos theta by sin square theta by cos square theta into d theta. So 1 cos theta cancel, this is cos theta by, that is 1 by 18, this is equal to what? 1 by 18, and this is cos theta by sin square theta d theta. Put sin theta is equal to z, cos theta d theta is equal to dz. So 1 by 18 dz by z square. So this is equal to 1 by 18 z to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So minus 1 by 18 into 1 by z. So z is equal to what? Sin theta plus c. So minus 1 by 18. This is 1 by sin theta. So minus 1 plus c. Okay. So minus 1 by 18 sin 1 by sin is cosec theta plus c. But we have sec theta is equal to what? we put what we put x minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 sec theta. Okay, now this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 into x minus 3 by 3 is equal to sec theta. Sec theta. Now what is cosec theta? Now what is cosec theta here? Cosec theta, sin theta, this is sec theta is equal to what? H by b. H means what? 2 into x minus 3, and b means what? B, h by b, 3. Now this is h and this is b and this is b. Now p is equal to what? Now p is equal to root over h square, means 4 into x minus 3 whole square minus b square, means what? 9. So simplify this. This is equal to what? 4x square minus 24x plus what? This will be, if simplified, this will be 27. Clear? P is equal to. Clear? Now cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to what? H by p. H is equal to what? H is equal to 2 into x minus 3 by p. P means what? Root over 4x square minus 24x plus 27. Now use the value of cosec theta. Now integration is equal. Therefore the integration I is equal to the integration is. So this integration is equal to what? The integration is equal to minus 1 by 18 cosec. Cosec theta means 2 into x minus 3 divided by root over 4x square minus 24x plus 27 plus c. So this is 1 by 18 minus 1 by 9 root of what? X minus 3 divided by root over 4x square minus 24x plus 27. This is the solution of the question. Okay. Now this is not visible due to new. This is p. This is p root over what? 4 into x minus 3 whole square minus 9. This is what? If simplify 4x square minus 24x plus 27, and this is cosec theta is equal to cosec theta is equal to 2 into x minus 3 divided by 4x square minus 24x plus 27, and integration I is equal, suppose this is symbol for integration, I is equal to 1 by 18 minus 1 by 18, 2 into x minus 3 whole divided by 4x square minus 24x plus 27, there minus 1 by 9, and this is x minus 3 divided by 4x square minus 24x plus 27 plus 27. Okay, plus this is answer. Now last question, question number 4 is, now another question. This is sin a into x whole square. This is equal to what? Solution is e to x cos e to x. Cos e to x by this is what? Sin e to x whole square plus 3 square. Here put sin e to x is equal to t. Differentiate. So cos e to x into e to x is equal to 20 by dx. That implies e to x into cos e to x dx is equal to dt. So this is dt by root over t square plus 3 square, and this is formula for what? Dx by root over x2 plus x2. Now this is ln t plus root over t square plus 9 plus, so this is equal to ln t means what? T means sin into x plus root over sin square into x plus 9 plus. See, this is answer. Now some more questions. Another question. 1 by cos 2x plus 3 sin dx. Okay. Solution is this is 1 by cos 2x plus 3 sin square x dx. So this is equal to 1 by cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin square x into dx. So 1 by 1 plus what? 3 sin square x minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin square x. This is sin square x. 1 plus sin square x dx. So divide both sides by divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So what happens here? This is equal to 1 by cos square means what? Sec square x divided by 1 by cos square x means sec square x plus tan square x into dx. Now reduce the sec square x into in terms of tan x. So sec square x divided by this is sec square x means what? 1 plus tan square x plus tan square x dx. So this is equal to what? Sec square x divided by 1 plus 2 tan square x. Clear? 1 plus 2 tan square x. 2 tan square x dx. Now what is derivative of tan x? Derivative of put. This is equal to what? Sec square x divided by 1 plus root 2 into tan x whole square into dx. So put root 2 tan x is equal to t. Here differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is equal to what? Root 2 into sec square x dx is equal to dt, or root 2 into dt by dx. So sec square x dx is equal to dt by root 2. Clear? So what happens here? This is 1 by root 2 dt by 1 plus what? T square. So 1 by root 2 into tan inverse t. This is tan inverse t plus c. That is 1 by root 2 tan inverse t means what? T means what? T means here. What is c? T is equal to root 2 tan x. Root 2 tan x plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now another question. This is integrate. Okay. So solution is integration square root of x by a cube minus x cube into dx. So this is equal to, we can write root x divided by square root of a 3 to the whole square minus x to the 3 to the whole square. Okay. Put x 3 by 2 is equal to t. Differentiate, that is equal to 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 1 by 2 dt by dx. That implies root x dx is equal to 2 by 3 dt. Clear? So this is equal to what? 2 by 3 dt by root over a 3 by 2 whole square minus what? Minus t square root over. and this is a square minus a square formula. So this is 2 by 3 sin inverse t by a to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is dx by a square minus a square formula. So sin inverse x by x माने t अछि, t by a माने 3 a to the 3 by 2 अछि. So 2 by 3 sin inverse t means what? T means x to the power 3 by 2 divided by a to the power 3 by 2 plus c, or this is equal to 2 by 3 sin inverse, that is x by a to the power 3 by 2. Clear? So x cube by a to root over plus c. This is the solution of this question. Okay. Now another question. This is reduce now 5 x divided by 25 x minus 2 into 5 x plus 10 dx. So this is question. Now solution is divided by 5 square whole to the x minus 2 into 5 x plus 10. Okay, dx. So this is calculated as 5x. This is 5x whole square minus 2 into 5x plus 10 into dx. Put 5x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. 5x log 5 is equal to dt by dx. So 5x dx is equal to dt by log 5. So this is equal to what? 1 by log 5, and this is dt by t square minus 2t plus 10. This is 1 by quadratic form, so this can be done by using perfect square. This is equal to dt by t square minus 2 into t into 1 plus 1 square plus 9. So this is 1 by log 5 dt by t plus 1 whole square plus 3 square. So 1 by log 5, this is t plus 1 whole square, means one more for you, that is p x square plus a square form. Okay, x square plus a form. Since that coefficient of p is equal to 1, there is no change in the formula. So use the formula like x square plus y square. So 1 by a, 1 by 3 tan inverse t plus 1 by 3 plus c. What is 3? 1 by 3 log 5. What is t? Tan inverse t means what? T is equal to 5 to x. 5 to the x plus 1 by, this is 5 to the power x. Okay, plus 1 by 3 plus this is answer. Some important concept, that is revision of the formula. Suppose review of the formula. Okay, now review of the formula. This is, we know a review of the concepts. Review of the concept. What is the formula? 1 by root over a square minus a square dx. Okay, what is the formula? Formula is sin inverse x by a. After this, this is x coefficient what? What's 1? If there is the formula like this, if the formula is like this, root over a square minus what? Minus x plus any constant. Only x plus any constant. Same formula here. Here x means what? X plus alpha. So it is what? Sin inverse x plus alpha by a plus c. This is the answer. Similar the other formula calculated. Done. This is 1 by, suppose you are given a square plus, this is similar to this, a square plus a square dx means what? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus if in place of x, if in place of it is 1 by a square plus x only x plus alpha square, same formula 1 by a into tan inverse x means what? X plus alpha by a plus c. These are the some concept. Okay. Or you may use, or you may put x plus alpha equal to t. You have to do one extra step. But if you direct put, if the coefficient of x is equal to 1, then you can directly use the formula. These are the formula discussed in this session, and some problems are discussed. Thank you. Have a nice day.